Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is All Summer in a Day by Ray Douglas Bradbury. This topic is for class 10. Okay, let me remind you the name of the book. It's ICSE Treasure Trove, chapter 10, page number 108. This is the last chapter. Okay, now before starting teaching, okay, let me tell you something about the author. Ray Douglas Bradbury was an American fantasy, science fiction, horror, and mystery fiction author. His short story, All Summer in a Day, is set on the planet Venus and describes in vivid detail the day when the planet experiences sunshine, an event that occurs only once in 7 years and that too for only 2 hours. Okay, now let's start line to line explanation. Okay. Ready, now, soon. Now, who are these children? Okay, they are the children who reside on the planet Venus. Okay, they are getting ready. Now, for what they are getting ready? They are getting ready to see the sunshine. Okay, do the scientists really know? Will it happen today? Will it? Now, they are discussing with each other whether the sun would rise or not. Okay, they were discussing, all the children were discussing with each other. Look, see for yourself. The children pressed to each other like so many roses. Now, all the children pressed to each other, okay? And they are compared with many roses, so many weeds. Now, listen, all children are not compared with roses. Some are compared with weeds also. Intermixed means some are good children, some are also bad children. All are not equally same, okay? Peering out for a look at the hidden sun. Now all were peering out. Peering out means all were looking out. Okay? Why were they all looking out? To see the hidden sun. Clear? It rained. It had been raining for 7 years. Okay? Now it had been raining for 7 years. Okay? Thousands upon thousands of days compounded and filled from one end to the other with rain. Clear? It had been raining since 7 years. Clear? Not 1 or 2 days, but 7 years. With the drum and gush of water, with the sweet crystal fall of showers and the concussion of storm. So heavy that tidal wave come off the island. Now the rain was so heavy as if tidal waves had come over. Okay, 1,000 forests had been crushed under the rain. Okay, thousands forests had been crushed under the rain and grown up 1,000 times to be crushed again. And this was the way life was forever on the planet Venus. Okay, and this was way the life was forever on the planet Venus. Okay, this is the life of planet Venus, and this was the schoolroom of the children of the rocket. Men and women who had come to a raining world, and now over there many of them had come to this raining world. Okay, men and women who had come to a raining world. It is referred as raining world. Why? Because it had been raining since 7 years. Okay, to set up a civilization and live out their lives. It's stopping. Now look, what are the children telling? It's stopping. Yes. Margaret stood apart from them, from these children. Now one child was different from other, and the name of that child was Margaret. Okay, she stood apart from them, from these children who could even remember a time where there was not rain. Now other children could not remember the time when there was no rain. Okay, that means they could not remember the sunshine. They were all 9 years old. Now how old the children were? They were all 9 years old. Okay, the children were all 9 years old. And if there had been a day 7 years ago when the sun came out for an hour and showed its face to the stunned world, they could not recall. Now the sun came out 7 years ago. That means the children were only 2 years old, so they could not remember the day when the sun came out. Okay, up to this much. And in my next class, I will continue with this story. Okay, until then, goodbye.